Hi, I'm going to show you how to make paper using little bits of leftover paper. So you take paper that you no longer need and tear it into little tiny pieces and put it into a bowl. If you use colorful paper, you'll get a rainbow paper in the end. Fill your bowl with paper and then pour water into your paper after you have the pieces as small as you like. Let your paper soak for at least a half an hour and then drain out the extra water. Take your bits of paper that are now wet and smoosh it around to make the bits stay together. And then you can flatten them out and put them on a dry towel. Cover your paper bits, squish out some extra water. Let it sit for a couple of days, and after that you can take out your new paper and then you can take scissors and trim your paper to whatever size you want. I think I'll use mine as a bookmark.